Hello guys and welcome to our next C++ tutorial, and in this lecture we will talk about if-else statement. In the previous lecture we made a simple calculator, but in this one we will learn about if-else statement, what is if-else and how you can use it. If-else statement is basically just a true-false statement. If one condition is correct, is totally applicable and is totally true, it would run, but if it isn't correct, it won't run, and the program will give the default line that we have given it to give it to the user. Like for example, I have made this program where it takes an integer a, we see in a from the operator, the user to enter their marks. If the marks are greater than 50, then the student has passed, else he will fail. If anything is below 50, then he has failed. If anything is above 50, then he has passed his exams. So if I run this, it's building the bat file, and let's enter 60, and it says pass. So we entered 60, and since we had a condition that if the marks are above 50, then the student has passed, we got the pass. And let's see if we put anything below 50. Let's go 30. It says fail, else it will fail. Anything below 50, it will be equal to fail, and anything above 50 will be equal to pass automatically. So you can make it like this. This is only two conditions. If it's above 50, it's pass, and below 50, it's fail. But if you want to make more different, add on to it more different conditions, you can do that as well. I have created a small calculator using that, and for adding more conditions we use else if. First we go if, then else if this, and else if, and ended with else. Else is basically our statement. If all of the other are false, then it will run no matter what. So this is a simple calculator I just made. It has two integers a and b, and a character that is op, which is just an abbreviation for operator. First it gives out the message to enter the first number, then it takes the number from the user, and second number, take the second number from the user, then it says enter the operator, then it takes the operator from the user. And now here's where the interesting part is. If the operator is equal to plus, then it will show the addition of the two numbers. But if the operator is minus, then it would show the subtraction. Else if the operator is negative, then it would show the subtraction. Else if operator is division, it will divide them. Else if the operator is multiplication, it will multiply them. Else if any other all these conditions fail, and the user had entered an invalid operator, it will give the error as invalid operator. So let's run this. Let's give 3 and 2 operator. Let's add was plus, and as you can see, it gave the answer as 5. Let's do first 10, 20, and let's go with this. We got 0 because it's a divided by b. 20 over 0.5, which is only like rounded up to the 0. Let's do another one, and let's see, 99 22, and then we, as you can see, it multiplied to that. So this is how you can use if else to get your own different outcomes of from the output from the program, and in a very creative way. You can make your own any type of if else commands, and all that is simple, very simple to understand. Just if, let me help you understand it in English, and I will explain it all to you in the whole statement in English. If operator is positive plus, it would add them, else if the operator is negative, it will subtract them. Else if the operator is division, it will divide them. Else if the operator is multiplication, it will multiply them. Else the operator is invalid. The user has input something other than what we have described over here. Let's try that by entering a random character. Let me rerun this, and 11 22, and yes, we go. It says, as you can see, invalid operator. So it didn't run, and just only ran the last else statement, which is this. So basically this is how you can make your own code using else if statements. You can even add you can even nest them, meaning you can make one and if else statement under the another, but that is the lecture for another day. I don't want to complicate things in this beginner lectures. So this is how you can use if else for your own fun, and you can make your own different programs using it. So you should also try by practicing it. You can make this calculator, or you can make your own another calculator, or you can just add even more variables onto it, and you can do different kind of stuff. It's all up to you. Your imagination is the only limit. So this is it for today, and I will see you in the next lecture. I hope you have an amazing day.